What's up, bitches? I don't even know if I can say that, but anyways, today I'm gonna be showing guys how to do an Instagram makeup filter. Okay, this thing is going way too fast. I need to speak faster. Okay, so first of all, I'm starting with a liquid highlighter, just flinging it around, and yeah, I'm putting it on my cheeks and on my nose just for a small glow right before I put on my foundation. And I'm using a silicone blender to blend that out so it doesn't absorb the product. Then I'm going in with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation and applying it on my face, first with the spatula that it comes with and then with a damp beauty blender. Okay, next for my contour, I'm using a foundation. It's called Ink Lasting and it's by Avon. And I don't even know the shade name, but it's W something. It's just way too dark for my skin tone, so I use it as a contour. Just gonna already go in. Okay, so now moving on, I'm gonna do my brows and I'm using an e.l.f. Product to do this, and I'm actually putting them higher than my normal brows just to get that snatched effect. And then to do that even more, I'm gonna put on some concealer under my brows to sharpen it up. And now I'm using my Better Skin concealer just to conceal around my eyes and blending that out with my damp beauty blender. Before blending out the concealer, I'm putting on a white concealer, and this is just going to help brighten everything and bring everything forward even more. Okay, and now I'm taking my Airspun by Coty or something like that, and I'm putting it under my eyes, but I'm not baking, I'm just setting there. But I am going to bake later on. So now I'm using my Kylie bronzer in Toasty, and I'm using that to snatch the nose. After bronzing up my cheeks with it, I'm going to go in with a fan brush. A lot of people don't know this, but if you use a fan brush with your contour or bronzer, it's really going to snatch your cheeks and make them just look a lot sharper. And that's what you're looking for in this tutorial. And now I'm baking the sides of my nose just to further sharpen the contour and bronzer, and on the top too, and on the side of my cheeks, just to really chisel out everything and make the lines really sharp and clear. And I sneezed, and okay, let's move on. I'm putting on some dark brown eyeshadow with an angled brush to the corner of my eyes so it looks a bit like eyeliner, but I didn't want it to be like very noticeable, so I later take a blending brush and I'm just gonna blend that out and make it more of like a soft blur so it looks like it's my natural eye that's a bit longer. And I'm also adding some of that on my inner corner again just to like elongate and really give that cat eye effect. Then I'm brushing off all of my bake. Okay, so now I'm taking a really pointy and really thin brush and I'm dipping it in my white concealer from before, and I'm adding that to the inner corner right under that brown like shadow line, and I'm also adding it a bit on my waterline, but only on the very like first, I'd say 1/4 and or no 1/3 and on the ends of my eyes and at the top. You'll see what I'm talking about. Just watch a tutorial, honey. So now in the space between the two white lines on our waterline, yeah, I'm so hot, I'm gonna apply some dark brown liner, and this is just gonna make our eyes look big. I'm like staring at myself like I can't believe the way I look. And then I'm taking the same pointy brush and white concealer and applying it to the very center of my nose and the bridge just to really snatch it. Then we're taking that same brush and I'm dipping it into my brown brow like thing from e.l.f. and I'm using that to dot it all over my face. You can also use eyeshadow, or if you have like a brown liner, and I'm dotting it all over. Then I'm going in with my Love Flush blush from Too Faced, and it's just like an orange tone blush. Then for the bunnies, the little Playboy bunnies, I actually printed them out and cut them out, and I tried a lot of different ways, but the best method was just to cut them out and glue them onto your face using lash glue. And then on top of that, going in with my blush. So I first went in with Tarte, and it's in the shade Party. And you want to dab it on, do not rub it on or like swipe it on, because then all the powder is gonna go under like the template of the little bunny. So next I went in a bit darker and a bit flashier, and I went to my James Charles Morphe palette, and it's like super pigmented, so you want to be careful but at the same time go ham. And so I just applied that again, tapping and not rubbing, and then I went in with a smaller, more compact detailed brush and really packed in that color around the outline, just to make it pop out more when I took it out. So as I said before, I tried a bunch of different methods. So I was like praying this one would work, and I was like, it worked so well. So yay for me. I'm so shooketh. Yes. So now I cut the other shape out and I kind of flipped it, and I did the other side, so the bunnies are facing each other. Okay, now I'm taking my Sleek Cosmetics highlighter palette, and it's so pretty, and I just wanted to make the bunnies like pop and glow a bit more, so I took a pinky highlighter from that palette and I placed it all around the edges of the little bunnies just to make it really like glowy and pop. Now I use the same pointy brush and a white concealer just to really create even more contrast between the bunnies and the pink. And I put the white on the nose and the ears and a bit on the like little bow tie at the bottom towards the neck of the bunny. Now using my Sleek Cosmetics highlighter palette again, I'm going in with my skin tone of highlighter, and I'm highlighting the very tip of my nose as well as my cheekbones, my cupid's bow, and the inner corner of my eye. I also highlighted my brow bone as well as my forehead so that when I'm turned to the side, you could really see that highlight and it looks like skin. And so next I'm going in with my NYX lip liner in mauve. And so you just want to go in with like a nude skin tone lip liner and overline only the top and make it round. Like, don't give an actual like accentuated cupid's bow. You just want to keep the top lip shape round, but only overline the top, and on the bottoms stay on your own lip line, and as well as the bottom in the very center, like that's the only place you want to overline, but on the sides of your lips or the corners, stay on your own lip line, don't overline the sides. And then I went in with this Milani Barely There or Barely Naked something, and it's a lipstick. And then I went back in with my white concealer and that small brush, and I'm adding a new cupid's bow and again creating contrast, and then going back in with my powder, setting everything, making it really matte and long lasting. Then going in with some mascara and adding that to my top lashes. And so at first I was like, let me add some corner lashes. So I added like just 2 little lashes at the edges of my eyes, and I was like, yeah, that's cute. But then as soon as I stopped filming, I like literally took them out because I actually thought they looked better without them. So let's just pretend I ended without these lashes. And so that's the tutorial. I hope y'all like it, y'all enjoy it. Maybe you could recreate this look for like Halloween or something, but I think it was so cute. Anyways, thank you for watching my video, and to anyone who's subscribed, thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!